what's up? So welcome back to my channel Fun with Nan and Panika. And in this video I'm going to show you about Excel and teach you also about its cool and amazing features. So I'm using a Windows 7 laptop. You can use Windows 10. The features are almost quite same. I'm just going to open my Excel. Yes. So as you can see, this is my Excel table, and I have a research book over here. I made a research in which I've written everything related to the Excel chapter, like the features like AutoSum and so on. Now I'm going to show you all about its features. So first thing you want to know is Excel is not exactly it's a software, but the real app is called Spreadsheet, which you can find in Gmail. It's a Google app. Next, to open Excel, I just showed you, just go to Start and then click your Excel. If it doesn't come, then just search it in the search bar given below and then open. So I'm going to teach you everything from the research book which I have printed out and made some changes by myself also. So if you see this in Excel, where my cursor is pointing right now, this is the quick access toolbar, where this thing where the save, undo and redo buttons option. You can also customize the quick access toolbar while you can either remove save, then you can add open like this, but I like to keep it in the default view in which just open, save and undo and redo are there. So I removed open and just kept the default one. And by default your Excel worksheet's name will be book 1. Then over here there are plenty of things. This entire ribbon has plenty of things. So let's move on. We have the formula bar over here, which has the content of basically the formula contained in the cell. Then this is the name box in which the name of the cell is written. Like the cell which I have, the active cell right now is E7. So name is also written over here E7. This is just a quicker way to find the address of the cell. Now say this. I want to increase or decrease the length of a column or a row. I just have to keep the active cell pressed and then just go to the boundary between between column F and column G. Well, this is just an example. It could be between any two columns, and when you do that, you get this kind of symbol, and just hold on to your left cursor and drag this, and therefore you increase your width of the column. For the same things for the cell, you can increase your cell height by this. Next, but I like to keep it just the same way. I was just showing you if you had sometimes huge words in your Excel. Okay, so always remember that your columns are always marked with alphabets, and your cells are marked with numbers. Next, we have a vertical scroll bar over here, which helps us to go up and down. Then we have a horizontal scroll bar below, which you can't see because I have kept it I have not kept it in full screen mode. And if I do it with this, you are able to see the horizontal scroll bar. So it goes left, right, like this. While this goes up and down, you can also move it with your up and down arrow keys like this. Next, you have in the status bar, you have the following options, like ready, which means you have started everything and you're good to go. Then you have views like the normal view, the page page layout view and page break view. Then zoom control, you can increase the zooming of your Excel and then keep it back to normal like this. Yes. So if you keep it at full minimize, you will see this error kind of thing. It doesn't even look proper, so I keep it at basically just a little behind the middle. Now we also have above the status bar, we have sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So by default you have these three sheets in your Excel, and you can also add a sheet by pressing this insert worksheet or pressing F11. I'm just going to make it full screen, and then let's move on. Yeah, so guys, where I was, and this recording app which I'm using, it just gives you 5 minutes of recording, then you have to stop and then redo it. So yes, now moving on, I'm going to give you a live example, but before that we are going to do self-referencing. Like we have say, if I want to find a cell named, let's say, W7, so I just write capital W and 7 right beside it, and I have to click enter. There you go, I have my W and 7 right over there. Next, like if you want to do a range of cells, so what is a range of cells? When you drag all the cells, like not exactly all the cells, but select some of the cells and form a rectangular box like this box is known as a range of cells because there are many cells in it. Now say I want to find the range between G4, and I have to add a semicolon right now to say H, no, not H, we'll take O 11, and when I click enter, the entire range is selected. What does this little arrow over here do? As soon as you click it, the entire table containing thousands and thousands of the rows and columns is selected. Yeah. Next we have let's say now I'm going to do an example with you, and to do that we are just going to have to let's take an example. A person has asked us to do, let's say I have asked you to do, you can send me your Excel projects on the comments down below, or at my Gmail poojachokkicall@gmail.com. Then say I tell you to do tell me make a table on the shopping list. Yeah, let's make a table on a shopping list. So let's say we have to buy some items because our house is gone out of stock. So first we are going to go to our the table top. Whoa, why are we over here? Oh, I just noticed a thing, we're not exactly on A but actually on B, which was not supposed to happen. It must have happened when we moved it. Now we're on A1, and the first thing is I write is bathroom. Okay, that doesn't sound so good, right? I know, maybe I made a mistake. Let's say groceries first. Groceries. But because there's very little space left, the thing which we do is, if you like, yeah, just extend the column width. But if like say you have used your typing still is there in this stick, I forgot its name, is still beeping, and you try to move the column width, it won't happen. It has to stop. Like if you click on another cell and then extend the width, it will work. Like now I can extend the column width and reduce it. So I've just kept it at the proper size. Then I'm going to write all the groceries. Next column, what do you think? I would say bathroom, kitchen items. Kitchen, but doesn't grocery come under kitchen items? Okay, let's take bathroom items. I know that doesn't sound so good, but I can't think of anything better. Bathroom items. Oh no, it has gone out of my cell. Simple. Just click on another cell and extend it. There you go. Yep. Next, after bathroom items, what do we have? What else can we add? Clothes. Yeah, clothes. Next, clothes we have also we have added to our Excel project. Then electronics. Let's say this is going to be a super shopping because normally you just don't go and buy an electronic item. You have to like make a long research. So you're going to a supermarket and get all these things. Let's just add one more thing. It's for 5. Fifth one, what else can we add? Bathroom items is done. Clothes, electronics, kitchen items, groceries come. Stationery, yeah, that's good. How about stationery? Stationery, yeah. And that 5 minute timing, and I tried to increase it, but it just doesn't work. So next we have yeah, stationery is also added. Did I just merge two cells? No, definitely do not want that. Yeah, I'm just going to extend the column width. Yeah. Okay, under groceries, let's say fruits and vegetables, of course, but then we can also add hmm, that's so simple, but still I'm thinking. Okay, let's say mangoes, then some capsicums, oops, capsicums, then let's say we need coconut. I know it sounds quite wrong, random, but let's just keep going under organics. Then some, let's say coriander leaves, coriander, and the last thing some mushrooms. Yeah, oops, press the tab one. I wanted to show you one more thing. Like if you want to move to the left, right, up and down side, you usually would use arrow keys. But there's one more way to move left and right. If you click the tab key, you move right, and if you click shift tab, you move left. So just a fact I wanted you to know. And yes, now we write our mushrooms. Mushrooms. Okay, just going to extend the column width a little bit. Yeah. Bathroom items. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Then toothpaste. And let's see. Soap. Shampoo. I'm just thinking of random bathroom items. Then we have some yeah, I've added soap, I've added shampoo, and how about um, I can't say a toilet, of course. And a mop. Yeah, maybe we can put a bathroom mop to clean the floor. Mop. Yeah. Then let's move on to clothes. Let me just extend the column width because I know this won't be enough. Yeah. Clothes. A t-shirt, shirt. Oops, what did I do wrong? Child. Oh god. Yeah, now it's proper. Shirt. Then a regular shirt. Let's say shoes. Yeah, shoes. I mean, I don't think that exactly falls into the category of clothes, but just gonna add it. Then pants, socks. Then what else do we have? And socks, pants, shoes, t-shirt, and a hat. No, let's say cap. Yeah, cap. Woolen cap would be more better because I'm not talking about the cowboy hat. Woolen hat. Yeah, woolen cap. Electronics, laptop, and I need to buy a laptop soon also. I need a Windows 10. Just upgrade if you can. Then phone. This is going to be a really expensive shopping list. Then what else do we have? Let's say a charger. Okay, let's get something cheaper. A power bank, and one last thing, a headphone. Yes. Oops. Again, caps lock. This laptop has a serious caps lock problem. Headphone. Yes, done. So all five are done. And yeah. So I was thinking, why don't we replace woolen cap with a jacket? I mean, that sounds more appropriate. I mean, I don't think that woolen cap would really fit into this list. Okay, next we're going to take the price. Yeah, price is quite important to make a budget. So let's say our budget is